Hey guys, it's Joe. Swing this. And here's a question about when to jump up to the next weight in kettlebell. Let's just say there's so many ways to do this. It depends on what your goals are. But a lot of people are into kettlebells because they're looking for muscular endurance, strength endurance, stuff like that. So this is a 16 kilogram kettlebell. My biggest thing I've made videos before is instead of jumping up to another one, getting maybe a 70. Say if swings are done for these, it's way too light for swings. Instead of jumping up for a 70 that you're only going to have for swings and maybe deadlifts, get another 16 so you can do double presses. You can do double kettlebell swings and certain things like that. You can do double sumo deads, all sorts of stuff. So for that, now if we're going in just regular pressing, there's a couple things I like. I believe Pavel had a long time ago a certain amount of ladders. So I love ladder sets, 5 each side, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. So that ends up being, I believe, 15 on each side. So if I can do a couple sets of those fairly easy without too much resting, I might jump up to the next belt, but I'm not going to go from a 35 to a 16 kilogram all the way to a 24. I get a 20, or there's an 18 in between. For people, if you're wanting to stay a little tighter, a little closer, go for the 2 kilogram increments. But anyway, let's say in kettlebell sport, now I'm going for hundreds of reps. How do I know when's the time to go from a 16 kilogram up to the next, as in competition, let's say 20. Let's use those standards that have been around for a long time in kettlebell sport. So if I can do, let's say my rank, we're gonna go from rank 3, rank 2 is purple. So if I can get rank 3 with this, and I got that, now I can get a purple and start focusing my work to get rank 2 in purple, which is 20. Now, you might think that the hand is a limiting factor. So there's a big difference in kettlebell fitness and kettlebell strength versus competition. In competition, you have up to 10 minutes, in traditional, up to 10 minutes with only one hand switch. So that's saying the weakest link is going to be your grip, your hand skin, shoulder, and maybe your technique. So that's how people get really good, is by getting better at technique. Better technique's always going to be better anyway. But if you want to go for straight fitness, let's see if you can hit those rank numbers, and it doesn't matter. Alternate your hands back and forth. Do a minute, a minute, a minute, a minute. Go for 10 and see if you can hit that rank. Maybe increase it up 10% or something like that, but then definitely go ahead and get that next kettlebell. And if you can hit the second rank, definitely grab another kettlebell. But it might take you a couple weeks for the first one. This is a little easier. It might take you a couple months for the next one. It's a little tougher. And it might take you a year or a couple years to get to that next rank of rank 1. And then you have contender for Master of Sport and Master of Sport. But play off those things, and I can write some things below that might help you choose when it's right to get your next kettlebell. Now that I can talk. That's pressing, that's jerk and clean and snatches. Legs, you can get anything, that doesn't matter. I think most people are talking about overhead presses and things like snatch. All right, so hopefully that helped a lot.